free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video we're going to talk about, is it possible to make thousands of dollars a month using nothing? Let me grab it. Using nothing but your phone. Is this real? Is this possible? All right, so let's get into it. Now, a few days ago, we all on YouTube, we all watch different ads pop up, right? Different opportunities before we get to the video, right? So I seen one, and it was one of my opportunities, like, oh, make thousands of dollars, doing such an easy job, and you can make thousands of dollars a month using nothing but your phone, right? So I'm like, here we go again. Let's see what this is about, right? I'm open for opportunities. I like to see what's out there. I like to, give my opinion. I like to know what I'm talking about. So I did the little webinar, the half-hour webinar, whatever. As soon as the webinar started, I was very familiar with the content. I was very familiar with the money-making method that was spoke about, that eventually led to, a sales presentation, right? So I was thinking, as I was watching that webinar, I'm like, you know what? This actually can work, right? It makes sense, right? Like, I'm not currently doing it or want to do it, but I can see this method where it can make people a lot of money, every month if they want to, or even every week, to be honest with you. So what is this method? Guys, the method is to be a high ticket closer, right? A high ticket closer. Now, if you're new to the whole make money online game, you might be like, what is a closer? What is a high ticket closer? All right, basically what it is whenever you do some sort of webinar or anything like that, and they ask for your phone number information, or when they ask for your phone number, whatever, or they say schedule your free call, right? Schedule your free call for more information, whatever. The person that you're talking to, right? The person that's gonna call you is a closer, right? Their job is to sell you on the initial, program or whatever it is. They're a closer. Their job is to get that information, get that sale, right? So a lot of times, that sale, could be, $1,000 sale, right? It could be a $5,000 program, right? That they're trying to close you on, right? And the method behind basically is there's tons and tons of gurus out there, right? Believe it or not, there's thousands of gurus out there, not necessarily gurus, but people that have high ticket programs, whether it be mentoring, coaching, whatever, services, and they charge, anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000, sometimes even $25,000, right? But they need people to close, right? So that's where you could come into the picture, right? Now, here's the thing. A lot of people, there's programs out there that promote that everyday people could just, become a closer by just finding these gurus and, basically seeing if they will allow you to be closers for them, right? See if you can actually work for them as a closer, because most of the closers, they get, anywhere from 10 to 30% for closing deals. So if they close in a $1,000 deal, they could get $100. Sometimes they can get $300 per deal, right? You go $5,000 deals, you can earn anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per sale, right? So it's really that simple. If you can find gurus and stuff that you can work for, and they will allow you to be a closer for them, and you're good at it, yes, you can actually just use your phone and you can, generate these sales for these gurus. I keep saying gurus, but gurus sometimes got a bad, what's the word I'm looking for? A bad meaning or whatever. But people with high ticket products. Sonny, what are you doing? Relax. That's the dog, right? So it really is that easy. If you can get in like that and you feel comfortable on the phone, and these people with these high ticket programs, you can work for them, you're good to go. But here's the problem. As simple as that sounds, from what I understand and from what I've heard, it can be somewhat difficult for these high ticket service owners to actually hire you, right? Because they want people with experience. They want people that they know, right? That they know can close, because they all about money. They all about making that money. So there's courses out there, right? That supposedly teach you how to, get in front of these high ticket owners, and how you can actually become, a closer, right? So yeah, you do got to find the proper training to be able to get involved with it. Now there are people out there like Dan Locke. He got a course that basically teaches you how to become a closer. Now it's a very expensive program to actually learn how to become a closer. You got to pay like a decent amount. You got to get closed to get involved with Dan Locke. And a lot of people had complaints about his program. There's another guy I seen, actually his name was Peyton Welch. That's actually the webinar I did. He has a program out there talking about how to become a closer. And I heard the base price of his course is like basically $100. And then he does have upsells. So I don't know how much you're going to learn for the $100, but I do know you can learn the basics for $100 with that Peyton Welch guy. You could look him up, Google him, do whatever. But yes, this is a real method to make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money as a closer. Now, one thing I can say that you could try, okay, you can try this on your own. Do your own research on how to talk on the phone, right? Do your own research, okay? Figure out, first of all, make sure you're a people person. Get your little sales pitch together. Now, what you can do is find high ticket products, right? Find high ticket products where you can get 50% commissions, 30% commissions, because there are programs out there that you can sign up for and get $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions. They're out there. You can sign up today. Now you will have to find like some lead lists, right? Find some sort of list that where people are willing to take calls. I'm trying to think of it, like lead generation lists and stuff. You might got to invest in some of those, and then you can literally just call the people on that list and just pitch the product that you're an affiliate of. You could be a closer like that, because all you would have to do at that point is pretty much get people to that website that you're an affiliate of. Get them. You could even walk them through the process, right? Just like you would be a closer. So you could be your own closer if you really wanted to. Keep in mind, you got to grind. You know what I'm saying? You got to grind, but you could kind of do it on your own. That's my opinion on it, right? But you definitely can make money as a closer, thousands of dollars a month if you want to, just by using your phone, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully it makes sense. I had to edit it a little bit, dog going crazy. So hopefully you got something from this video and you can use it to start making some money, guys. Also, if you're looking for other money-making opportunities, legit ones, check the description of this video. Everything down there can make you money if you put that work in. All right, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.